the most expensive car crashes the world has ever seen. Hey guys, welcome back to Trending 10. If you drive a luxury car, you have probably thought the possibility of getting into an accident. The vehicle itself may be more maneuverable, safer, and even more comfortable than an average car. But there is still the risk that you could lose control or that someone else could slam into you. Number 5. 2017 Ferrari 250 GTO. Every year in West Sussex, England, vintage car lovers gather to the Goodwood Revival, a celebration of classic cars on the Goodwood circuit. Rare cars, often costing millions of dollars, head out on the racetrack to test their limits. As you can imagine, this setting doesn't always lead to happy endings. In 2017, a rare 1964 Ferrari 250 GTO 64 Series 2 crashed after trying to pass a Corvette Stingray. Thankfully, the driver managed to avoid rear-ending a different Ferrari on the track, but the entire right side of the GTO was destroyed in the process. The Ferrari 250 GTO, for reference, is sometimes called the world's most expensive car in perfect conditions. It can cost more than $55 million. Number 4. 2011 Pagani Zonda Roadster F. In 2011, a German man driving a 2007 Pagani Zonda Roadster F got into an incredibly expensive accident. While exact details of the accident are unclear, we know that the vehicle was traveling nearly 200 miles per hour on Italy's A10 Autostrada. Despite the high rate of speed, both the driver and the passenger were able to escape from the accident unscathed. It's suspected that the vehicle was involved in an illegal street race and the license of the driver has been revoked. This is the first time this driver has been caught illegally racing. For reference, the Pagani Zonda Roadster F is exceedingly rare with only 25 models ever built. It sells for well over $1 million. Number 3. 2011 McLaren F1. Rowan Atkinson, an actor best known for his portrayal of the comic character Mr. Bean, was the proud owner of a dark burgundy McLaren F1, a sports car with 240 miles per hour of top speed and a 6.1-liter V12 engine. In 1999, he crashed the vehicle, causing light damage to the car's bonnet. But this pales in comparison to a second accident Atkinson experienced in 2011 when he crashed the McLaren into a tree and a road sign. Though Atkinson escaped with only minor injuries, repairs on the vehicle totaled to more than $1 million. Thankfully, the vehicle was able to be repaired, and there's a happy ending to the story. Atkinson sold the car in 2015 for the equivalent of $12.2 million, making an enormous profit despite the accidents. Number 2. 2013 Mercedes-Benz 300 SL Gullwing. The Mercedes-Benz 300 SL Gullwing, a high-end model named the sports car of the century in 1999, can reach a top speed of 163 miles per hour, but today it's better known for its classic nature and rarity. One owner took his prized vehicle to a shop known for its work on vintage Mercedes-Benz models. After some light repairs and maintenance, an anonymous 26-year-old mechanic took the vehicle for a test drive to make sure it worked properly. After climbing to excessive speeds, the mechanic lost control of the vehicle. Thankfully, both the driver and passenger escaped with only minor injuries. Repairs on the car were estimated to cost more than $833,000. Number 1. 2011 Ferraris, a Mercedes, and a Lamborghini. Tokyo, an outing of luxury sports car enthusiasts in Japan, ended in an expensive motorway pileup, smashing a stunning 8 Ferraris, a Lamborghini, and 3 Mercedes-Benz with an estimated worth of more than $4 million. Police say they believe the accident occurred when the driver of one of the Ferraris tried to change lanes and hit the central reservation. He spun back across the motorway and the other cars collided when trying to avoid hitting his car. In possibly the most painful entry on this list, multiple high-end sports cars were involved in the pileup collisions on a Japanese motorway in 2011. According to a report from The National, the collisions was between a group of sports car enthusiasts on an outing. One of the Ferrari's drivers attempted to change lanes but hit the central reservations and collided with another car, causing a chain reaction. Ultimately, it's estimated that the accident cost more than $4 million to the vehicles involved. Some accidents are unpreventable, but the vast majority of vehicular collisions can be prevented or mitigated with small habits. Always be aware of your surroundings, limiting distractions and paying attention to posted signs and warnings. And if you're taking your luxury car out for a ride, whether it's on the street or on a track, make sure you have a good insurance policy in place. And with that being said, it's time to end our today's video. Subscribe to the channel for more amazing videos like this. We'll see you in another interesting video.